All right. Testing. Is it okay? All right, guys. I restart the live stream. Okay. I restart the live stream. Is it okay? Is it okay? I think it's. I think it is. I think should be okay. So let me check first. Okay. So first, guys, can you guys hear my sound very clearly? If you guys can hear my sound very clearly, then you type yes. Okay. And second, do you guys can see a smooth all this movement, okay? All this, is it lag? I think should be okay already. So if there is a lag, if the live stream is still lag, then you guys can type in the chat box, okay? Type in the chat box or even in the group chat, okay? Because somebody is from our Telegram group. Hi, Alvin. Yes means you can hear my sounds clearly or what? It's good now, okay? Chris said it's good now. Okay, nice. Okay. All right. All these things, all this finally settled. Okay. All right, guys. So let me have let me repeat all these thing I just now what I said just now. Okay. So okay, first we look at the if we look at the 4 hour chart or even 1 hour chart or even the 15-minute chart. Okay, we can see that all this chart pattern, right? All this structure, all the price structure is the uptrend structure. Okay, and if you look at the 4 hour chart, so you can see that the price come back and retest this support level and then the price rebounds. Okay, so means that this support level is valid. Okay, because the buyer comes in and then make this support valid. Okay, so here is the buying momentum. Here goes the buying momentum. And then if you look at the 1 hour chart or even the 15-minute chart, so here is the same. Okay, so here is the same pattern here, same pattern. Okay, so here is the uptrend structure. And then if we look at the 15-minute chart, okay, you can see that the price officially break this significant high or the resistance level. Okay, so means that the buying momentum is very very strong, and then you guys can see this, right? Okay, so here is the uptrend structure. Okay, so here's the uptrend structure. So even though the price dumped yesterday, okay, because on yesterday live stream, right, the price uh form a sideway. Okay, form a sideway, the price ranging here when we doing the live stream. Okay, but after that I mentioned that after the ranging, normally the price will bump or dump. Okay, and you guys can see, right? Okay, price dump on at night. Okay, on yesterday night. Okay, because why? Because why the price dump? Okay, because if you look at the structure, right, although the price is ranging here, okay, but you can see, so here is the lower low. Okay, here is the lower low, and here is the support level here. Okay, so if you guys if you know what is if you learn about the chart pattern, right? So here is the descending triangle. Okay, so what is the meaning of the descending triangle? Means that the price have a higher probability to drop. Okay, but this chart pattern, right, we need to back to the main, back to the main, the main foundation is what? The price form a lower low structure, so means that the price, the momentum is weaker. Okay, weaker than before. Okay, the price is very become weak, become weak, become weak, become weak. Okay, and then finally the price break the support and then drop. Okay, so this is the foundation of chart pattern. Okay, so that's why when I'm explaining or doing the analysis, right, I always look at the price structure. Okay, because the price structure is the main foundation, Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's come back to the price at the moment. Okay, so after that you guys can see the price drop, and then after that the price form a uptrend structure. Okay, so So if we look at this, right? Last night I'm thinking that I'm thinking about that since the price has already break through this upper level, right? Then after that the price retrace to this level, right? I think the price will drop a lot. Okay, I think the price will keep dropping. Okay, but the price didn't drop a lot, and then you can see, guys, the price keep forming the uptrend structure. Okay, all right. So after that, the price break through this significant low. Okay, this significant low or the support level. Okay, so I think that it is it is a first signal that the price want to drop already. Okay, but after that, you guys can see, okay, after that the price surge. Okay, the price surge, and then the price break the significant high here. Okay, break the significant high here, and then after that price directly come to this significant high directly here. Then after that the price form a small ranging here, and then the price break up again. Okay, so it means that the buying momentum is very, very strong. Okay, the buying momentum is very, very strong, and then it officially formed this the uptrend structure in 15 minutes. Okay, so at the moment, so all this information combined together, it it gave it gives me a message, means that the price wants to go up more. Okay, and then we look at the ranging here. Okay, if you look at the ranging here, okay, so it is a up, the upward sideways. Okay, because what? Because the price form a higher high and a higher low. Okay, it is a upward sideways. Okay, when the price is keeping sideways, but the price is also keep going up. Okay, so so all this information means that shows me that the price wants to goes up more. So for me I will look for a buy. Okay, for me I will look for a buy. Okay, for gold. Okay, so here's my bias. Okay, here's my bias. So my bias is bullish bias. Okay, so after that, the second question is, where is the trading ratio, where is the best price to trade? Okay, so for me, okay, you can see here's a ranging here. Okay, so the range is from here to here. Okay, so here is the ranging, here is the sideway. Okay, here is the price range. Okay, so since the price has already formed a sideway. Okay, so for me, if I want to be safe, right, I will wait for the price to break out this this resistance level, or break out this support level. Okay, because what? Because what is the meaning of sideway? So sideway means there is no direction. Okay, so if there is no direction, so means that I don't know whether the price will go up or go down next. Okay, so it is a 50-50 condition. Okay, so for me, if I want to trade, right, I would wait for the confirmation. Wait for the confirmation. So what is the confirmation I'm waiting? So first, if I want to buy, right, the price should break out this resistance level. Okay, this is the first condition I'm waiting if I want to buy, right? Okay, if I want to buy, I will wait for the price to break out this resistance level. Okay, second, if the price break out this support level, then I would sell. Okay, I would sell. Okay, I would sell. Okay, because what? Because there is no continuation of uptrend. There's no continuation of the uptrend. Okay, if the price break out this support level. All right, so yeah, what I'm waiting is this confirmation if I want to buy. Okay. And if you look at a one minute chart, okay, the M1 chart, the 1 minute chart, okay, so here is the uptrend structure. Okay, here is the uptrend structure in 1 minute chart. Okay, so let's see whether the price can keep, let's see the price whether can keep this, keep this structure, okay, and then retest, and then retest this resistance level, okay. Then after that, if the price can break this resistance level and the price structure is still maintain the, the uptrend, then I think I will be more confident. I think I will be more confident to enter this trade, to place this trade. Okay. So yeah, so now, so let's look at the candle. Okay, so the price seems like the price want to challenge or retest this resistance level. So I will wait. Okay, so I will look at the reaction here. Okay, see whether the price can break out or not. All right. All right. So guys, let's see. Okay. So guys, will you go for buy or sell? For you, will you go for buy or sell? If you go for buy, then you type buy, okay? Then you type buy. Then if you go for sell, then you type sell, okay? All right. So guys, you guys can see, so the price still the 1 minute chart still maintain the, the uptrend structure, okay? And then the 1 minute chart has already, break out this resistance level, but I need to wait for I have to wait for another, another 3 minutes, okay, another 3 to 4 minutes. Because what? Because I want to see, the 5 minute chart, 5 minute candle to close above, this resistance level, okay. So if the price, if the candle can close above this resistance level, then I only consider it as a, as a breakout, okay. So this is a multi time frame confirmation, okay. This is a multi time frame confirmation. So yeah, I will wait for another 3 minutes, okay, another 3 minutes before I place my order. Right, guys, the price start to pump. Okay, the price start to pump, but it's okay. But it's okay. But it's okay. If the price, if the price really can really, trading above this range, right, above this level, right, then it shows that there's a, a strong buying momentum here. Okay, so another 2 minutes. Okay, another 2 minutes. Okay, so there is, okay, 1 minute left. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, 1 minute left. So let's look at the price. Okay, let's look at price. How does it react? All right, so still 20 seconds. Okay, so guys, so that's why I need to have a confirmation. Okay, I need to have a confirmation in 5 minute chart. Okay, because what, if the price cannot close this close, if the candle cannot close above, close above the resistance level, then you guys, you can see or not, here is a wick here. So it is a, I will consider it as a, as a false breakout. Okay, or in SMC, in a SMC, we call this kind of situation as a, the liquidity grab. Okay, liquidity grab. Okay, so yeah, that's why we need to, we need to watch some, different time frame. Okay, is to what, is to, is to increase your, your your probability, or the winning rate. So you also can, if you know how to play around this 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 5 minute time frame, right? So you also can, filter some bad trades. You also you also know how to filter the trade. You can see that, oh, is it the setup, is it this setup is good or bad? If it is a bad setup, then I won't enter. If it is a good setup, and then I only enter. Yeah, you are able to do this. Okay, you are able to do this if you know how to play around, play around multiple time frame. Okay, all right, so seems like there is a price still ranging. Okay, the price still ranging, so means that the price won't spike up first, don't won't spike first, won't go up first. I think that the price will keep trading within this range. Okay, so okay, after I watch, after I look around, 5 minute chart and 1 minute chart, right? So the main, the significant low is here. Okay, so because what, because if you look at the 1 minute chart, right? Okay, so just now I mentioned that here is the uptrend structure. Okay, so as long as the price didn't, break out this significant low or support level, then I think that the price would go up again. Okay, but seems like, but now if you look at the price start to retrace, and then there is a probability to to challenge this support level. Okay, so there's a tricky part. Okay, there's a tricky part. Okay, but if you are a short-term trader, right? If you only look at a 1 minute chart, okay. So here's since there is the uptrend structure, then I think you can go for a buy, okay? Because because it it is worth it is worth to trade, okay? Because if you enter here, okay, your stop loss is only around 40 pips, okay? If you put one lot, it's around 400 USD, okay? It is okay for me, okay, if I want to trade, okay? But but the question is, if you look at the 5 minute chart, okay, there's a liquidity grab, okay? Here's the liquidity grab or the force breakout, okay? So I don't think that price would pump now, okay? At the moment, I don't think that the price would pump now, okay? If the price, right, if the price just now did this candle, right, if this candle can close above this resistance level, then I think I will go for I think I will place a buy trade. I think I will directly buy gold just now, okay? But there's no setup here. So yeah, I won't enter, okay? Or I think that I will sell first, okay? Because what you can see the pattern, okay? You can see the direction here. All right, so what today's price movement is similar, is similar like yesterday. Similar with the yesterday price movement, okay? Because what? Because yesterday live stream we doing the live stream here, okay? The price moving like that when I doing live stream, okay, yesterday. So the price is keep ranging, okay? So it's difficult to trade if the price is in the ranging, okay? For me, it is difficult to trade, okay? For me, okay? So I don't like to trade when a price form a ranging pattern, okay? So guys, follow the structure, okay? Follow the structure. If you look at the silver, right? Okay, so if you look at the silver, so yesterday the price is also ranging, okay, but the price didn't drop, but the price don't drop much, okay. The price still within this range, okay. The price still within still trading within this range, okay? So there's no, there's no breakout structure, okay? There's no breakout structure because what? Because the price didn't break out the support level, okay? So it is a nice pump, okay? It is a nice pump for silver, okay? So the price still remain the uptrend structure, okay? Then if you look at the 50-minute chart, okay, there's a ranging here, and then the price challenge retest the resistance level again, okay? So for silver, the price movement of the silver is stronger than the gold at the moment, okay, at the moment. So but the price is already the price is fly already, okay? Price fly already, and then price start to challenge this significant high at 4-hour chart, okay? This is a 4-hour resistance, 4-hour significant high. Normally when the price touch the touch like higher time frame resistance level, example like this 4-hour resistance, the price would have a retrace, okay? Normally the price will have a have a retracement. So I'm waiting for the structure, okay? If I want to buy or sell, I'm waiting for the structure. So if I want to buy silver, right? If I want to buy silver, so there's a resistance at the 5-minute chart or one minute chart, okay? So guys, you can see, yeah, here's the resistance or the significant high in 5-minute and 1-minute chart, okay? So the price the price will go up only the price break this resistance level, okay? So means that the price the price have a probability to goes down, okay? Beside that, the price touch 4 hours resistance. So normally the price will have a retracement, okay? But I think it's just a retracement, not the not the change of character, okay? I think it's just a small retracement, and I think the price won't break uh this support level, okay? But if the price really break this support level, then the trend has already changed. The trend will change to downtrend. Will start to change to downtrend, okay? So hmm so let me see, okay? So you guys can see the gold is still dropping, okay? I think there will be a pump or dump like yesterday, okay? Because what? Because here is the sideway, okay? Here is the ranging, here is the sideway. So after the sideway, normally there is a pump or dump, okay? So be careful, guys. I think there should be a pump or dump or at night today. If we look at the silver, guys, I will go for silver. Okay, I will go for silver. Okay, so guys, I sell gold. So where is the price I sell? Okay, it's around 90.95. Okay, 90.95. All right, so here's my order. Then I put my stop loss here. So my first target is here. Okay, so my first target is here. And then my second target is here. Right, it's here. All right, guys. So let's see whether the price can hit my first target or not. Okay, so if you look at the gold, right? So let's look at the gold. Okay, so gold breaks the, breaks the significant low of uptrend structure. So here is the, here is the change of character. Okay, so if you look at a 1 minute chart, I think there will be a downtrend. Okay, there should be a downtrend here. Okay, there will be a downtrend movement. So when the price have a retracement, right? If the price can re have re can if the price can rebound to around this level, but the price didn't break this resistance level, right? Then I think I would sell here. So same here. I would wait for the confirmation here before I try to place the sell order. Okay, I will wait for the confirmation here. But I think that this is a best trading best trading range to sell. I think this is the best sell zone. Okay, actually, this is the best sell zone. Okay, all right. So seems like the price won't rebound. All right. So silver start to dump. Okay, so the gold price start to dump, and then the gold price start to dump again. Okay, so the price keep dropping. So I think the gold price won't won't retrace at the moment. So I think the price will touch this support level. Okay. So just now I mentioned that here's the ranging here. So here's the ranging. So the price range is, so the support and resistance is, so the resistance is around 5,195, and the support level is around 5,182. Okay, so here is the ranging, here's the range. Okay, here's the range. The price formed the sideway. Okay, so sideway means that the price have a probability to come to this support level and then rebound. Okay, so if you are a short-term trader, I so what you can do is trading within this trading within the the ranging this price range. Okay, but you can, what you can do is buy at the support and then sell at the resistance. Okay, because it is a it based on the chart. Okay, based on the chart pattern and the price structure, so it shows a ranging. Okay, it shows ranging, it shows sideway. Oh damn, the price dropped a lot. Okay, it is running around 130 pips, guys. If you sell here, if you sell at a resistance, then you are running around 100 pips. All right, so seems like the silver price also dropping. But the selling momentum in gold is bigger than silver. Okay, hmm, it's quite boring. It's quite boring because what, the price movement is very slow. Okay, the price movement is very slow. Oops. Okay, we can see a dump here. All right, guys, you can see a dump here. Okay, so the gold and the silver have a big dump. Okay, especially silver. Okay, so the price almost hit my first target. Okay, the price almost hit my first target. Okay, oh damn, guys, it's very close. Okay, let me do uh let me do an update in my Telegram group. Okay, guys, almost. Okay, almost. Oh, guys, the price dropped a lot. Okay, all right, guys, the price hit my first target. Okay, and the price still dropping. Okay, so what I do is I will let I will let I will let my sell order to I will hold my sell order. Okay, and then I will set my stop loss here. Okay, I will set a break even. Okay, Damn, guys, the price dropped a lot, man. Very nice. All right. So since the price hit my hit my second target, okay. So what I will do is I am trying to target this third level. Okay. My third target is here. Okay. Third target. Okay. So guys, the price keep dropping. Guys, there is a lot of VIP. There's a lot of VIP profit here. Okay. Just now why I'm not why I'm not talking. Okay, because I'm chatting with our VIPs. Okay. My God, guys, there's a lot of VIP profit here. All right, so if you come back to the trading view, okay, so we can see that. So here is the second target, and then the price is trading within this range, okay, below the second target. So for me, right, okay, so if we look at a higher time frame, okay, so we can see here is the okay. So since the price retraced from the from the higher time frame resistance, and then the 5 minute resistance also. So for me, right, I think that the price will form a sideway. Okay, I think the price will form a sideway, and it is a 5 minute sideway. So I think the price will trading within this range. Okay, so it's only my third target. Okay, if we look at the F if you look at the range, right, actually, I think the final range will be here, okay? So I think the price will move within this range, okay? All right, so I'm profit about 600 profit, okay? 600 USD profit, okay? So let me set the break-even point, okay? All right, so I've set my break-even point. Right, so seems like the price keep dropping. So if you look at a 1 minute chart, okay, so the price didn't rebound so much, okay. All right, so you guys, if you look at the gold, if you look at the gold, so you can see that the price touched the support level at 5 minutes, okay. So if you look at the candle, okay, if you look at the candlestick pattern, you can see that the body of the candle is close below the support level, okay. So I will consider it as a breakout, okay. I will consider it as a breakout. So means that the price have a higher probability to go down more at the moment, okay. So if the price break out, okay, if the price break out, so next target will be here, okay. For gold, I think the next target will be here, okay, for the gold. And if we look at the silver, all right, actually I set my safety pin at the first target, okay. Oops, okay. All right, so here's a pump here. So here's a pump. So but it's okay as long as I secure my profit, then it is okay. Okay. So here's a dump and then here's a pump here, okay. And you guys can see, right? You guys can see. So the price didn't create a lower low, and the price rebounds here. So it forms a higher low, okay. It forms a higher low. So seems like the price wants to retest this resistance level, okay. There's a quick pump, okay. All right, guys, if you look at the 5 minute chart or the 1 minute chart, okay, so you can see that here is the breakout, okay. So here's the support level, and you guys can see that price retest this support level. Okay, so I think that I will try a sell here. I will place a sell here. Okay, no, uh, T5. So how about gold? Let me see. Okay, let me see. How about gold? Guys, the price almost touched this support level, this ranging level. All right, if you look at the structure, right? So here's the same. Okay, so although the price didn't break this significant low, but here is the downtrend structure here. Because what? Because the price break a lot of significant low or support level. Here is the significant low, and then here is a significant low. Okay, so the price just break this two significant low. Okay, so here is a dump here again. Okay, here is a dump here. Okay, so yeah, okay, so far so good. So I think my orders should be profit again. Okay, all right, guys, instant profit. Okay, instant profit. That's why. Okay, so guys, you can see why gold price and silver price dump. Okay, because if you look at the dollar index, dollar is pumping. Okay, so means that then the buyers or the investors put their money into the USD. Okay, so how they put their money into USD? So they have to sell other assets. So means that the gold and the silver is sold by the investor. Okay, so here is USD. Okay, so here is the USD price movement. So let me check first. Let me check, guys. All right, guys, be careful. Because what? Because if you look at the USD or the dollar index, so here is the ascending triangle. Okay, so here is the ascending triangle, and then here is the higher low. Okay, here is the higher low, and then you can see if you look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, 15-minute chart. So here is the uptrend structure. Okay, so here's the uptrend structure. So if the price later on, if the price can, let me clear this drawing first. Okay, so okay, this is the uptrend structure. So this is ascending triangle. So means that it forms a higher low. Okay, so let's look at a 15-minute chart. Okay, if the price can break this resistance level later on, I think the USD will spike. Okay, if the price can break this resistance level, I think USD will spike, and then I think other risky asset will dump again. So there's a signal here. There's a signal. Okay, there's a information that dollar index tells you guys. Okay, so it forms a higher low. Okay, here's a higher low. Okay, and the price, challenge this sub resistance level for second time. Okay, so when this price retrace, right, it forms a resistance level, and then the price comes back and retest this resistance level. Okay, so this is the first retest, and then this is second retest, and then this is a third retest. Okay, and if the price can comes out again, okay, it will be fall. Okay, it will be fall. Okay, so be careful, guys. So so that's why you can see the USD related pairing is start to goes up. Okay, so if you look at the USD JPY, okay, USD JPY start to spike. Okay, USD JPY start to spike, and then you can see that the USD CAD, the pattern is almost the same. Okay, you can see that. Okay, the pattern is almost the same. Okay, so this is the area I draw yesterday. Okay, you see, guys, it is similar, right? It is similar. Okay, it is similar. Okay, so means that there's a probability to goes up. Okay, USD CAD. So you guys can take a look. Okay, I highlight this. Okay, USD CAD. So silver. All right, so the price ranging. Hmm. It is slow, guys. Okay. All right, so the price comes back. Okay, the price comes back, and I set the stop loss here. Okay, I set a stop loss here. So if the price hit this level, then my second trade will be a loss. Okay. Oops. Okay. So the price spikes up. Okay, but still okay. Okay. At least my profit is more than my profit is more than the loss. So still okay. Okay, it's still okay for me. Alright, guys, here comes a pattern. Okay, so here is the uptrend structure. Here's a significant high. Okay, here's a significant high, and then here's a higher low. Okay, here's the higher low. So what the price will what it will do next? I think that the price will go up. Okay, but the price won't. I think the price still won't, break out this resistance level. Okay, so my first target is here. Okay, for gold. Okay, and here also same. Okay, here is the higher low. Okay, and if the price goes up, right? I think here's the level. Here's the level. That's the level it will come. Okay, so here's the arrow. Okay, all right, guys. So let me have a short break. So let me go and have a cup of water. All right. So give me around 5 minutes. So yeah, let us take a short break and then I will come back shortly. Okay. So guys, wait for me. Yeah. So see you guys later. All right, guys. I'm back. Okay. So let's see how. Okay, guys, so you can see that. So here's a breakout here. And if you look at the gold seems like the gold wants to break out this resistance level. And okay, so I think that at the I think that the price will goes up at the moment. Okay, so for now, I want to try. I'm trying to buy gold. Okay, all right. So I place a buy order on gold. So here's my first target. Okay, I place my stop loss here. It's around this level. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so seems like the silver is pumping, but hmm, the gold is still ranging. Gold is still ranging. So yeah, so I think we can look at another pairing. Okay. Okay, for me, I will buy URUSD. So USD spike, and then all right, finally moves. Okay, finally the gold price move. Okay, so how about URUSD? Just now I saw there's a buy opportunity. Okay, so here's the resistance level. So let me calculate. Okay, so if I buy here, so here's the 90 20 pips. Okay, 20 pips. Okay, it's okay. 20 20. The movement becomes slow. So it is still want to, so we still have to wait, okay? Wait for the price to pump, okay? So guys, I want to use my magnet again. Alright, seems the price pumping. Alright, so here's the here's the magnet, okay? Alright guys, I think it's working. This magnet is working. Hey guys, gold is pumping, guys. Alright, so guys, the price is keep pumping when I'm texting my VIP groups. Okay? Alright, let's see. I'm profiting around $500, okay, for gold. So seems like the URUSD got a selling pressure, but it's okay as long as the gold profit cover all the loss. Okay, guys, this manner is working, guys. So okay, there's still 24 pips. Okay, there's still 24 pips to hit my first TP. Okay, to hit my first TP or the resistance level. So there's a 5 minute resistance level. Okay, another 24 pips. Okay, silver looks quite active today. Yeah, it's better than yesterday. I think the movement is better than yesterday. But it's like same. Because what? Because yesterday we doing live stream, right? The price, where's the ranging area? Okay. Yeah, you guys can see or not? Yesterday we doing live stream, right? The price ranging. And then today the price also ranging, okay? So yeah, I today is also a quiet day. Okay, so the price drop again. But it seems like the price will form a small ranging area here, like this one. Okay, so let's see whether the price can collect the liquidity and then keep and then pump again. Okay, because what? Because we only left there's still 24 pips left. Okay, 24 pips left. I think it I think should be okay if the price can reach can touch the resistance level. Okay. Welcome back. Okay. Good to see, guys. Good to see profit. Okay. So may I know what is the benefit of joining your VIP? It's a lot of VIP benefits. If you want to know more, then you can contact Grace. Okay. Contact my admin. Okay. Contact Grace. Just contact Grace. Okay. Not just only not just only the signals. You can access to our the our classes, our automation trading system. Okay. So guys, if you want to access to this kind of benefits, then join now. Okay. Join now. Okay. And there is another extra signals. Okay. after the live stream. Okay, so you don't just get the signals on these 2 hours only. Okay, so if you want to know more, just contact Grace. Okay, contact Grace fast. Okay, the spot is limited. Okay, and you know what? Joining our VIP is free. Okay, it's free of charge. Okay. Hmm. I think I will set the break even first. There is something wrong. Okay, there is something wrong. There's something wrong on go. So guys, I set a break even already. Okay, so if the price hit my stop loss, then I won't lose. Okay. So magnet, come on. I shit, man. Today is also a boring day because there's no pump, guys. There's no pump. Okay. There's no pump. There's no pump like that. Like this. Okay, like this. Okay, there's no pump like this. Tough. It is tough, guys. Hey. It's okay, at least got profit. Yeah, yeah, you are right. But you know what? What I want is big profit, okay? What I want is big profit. Because what? Because you know what? Because you guys come to the financial market, what you all want? Actually you want to earn big money, right? But it's okay. I'm also same, okay? I want to earn big money also. But it's okay since the market didn't have the, since there's no opportunity to trade, then it's okay. All right. So we wait for another opportunity. So do your risk management, your account management well, and then wait for the opportunity to come. All right, guys. I think I will end up the live session after 5 minutes. Okay. Right. So, guys, before I end up this session, is there any question to ask before I end up this live session? Okay. All right. Okay. There's a quick pump. There's a pump here. Okay. So, hmm. All right, guys. I still got a chance, guys. I still got a chance. Okay. So let's see whether the price can hit this level or not. Quite good. It's good. Okay, guys. So the price retest this. Okay. So the price retest this resistance level. So let's see whether the price can go even higher. Okay. So there is how much? 10 pips. Okay, 10 pips only. 10 pips hit my next target. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Let's see the price, whether the price can hit or not. All right, guys. So I think I will end up this live session. Okay. So I will end my live session here. All right. So thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for coming. Okay. So remember, don't forget to subscribe to our live to YouTube channel, and then you guys also can follow our Instagram account, and then the TikTok account also. Okay. So yeah, that's all for today. Then I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. Bye.